Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how we can quickly reset the GPU on your system. GPU means the graphic card which is installed on your machine. So right now on my machine NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card is installed and I want to reset it. So there is a simple keyboard shortcut to reset within a second. We have to just press Shift Control Windows plus B. You will listen the beep sound from your machine. That means that your graphics card is reset, has been reset successfully, and your screen will blink once. Okay, you can observe one flap in your display. That means the graphic driver is or graphic card is reset successfully on your machine. You can reset this graphics card before launching the game or editing any video or do whatever tasks which needs a graphics card to be function properly. So here is a simple trick. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe for such more content. Thank you. Bye.